Good morning. Once again, it's 7:30, and we are on another episode of Wonder What's Next. So, question for today is, how do you know what to treat or how to treat so a wound won't get infected? Little background information here of cattle. Number one, dairy cattle and cattle in general have extremely high pain tolerance. Extremely high pain tolerance. I mean, I've seen things happen on dairy farms to cows that if it happened to us, we're done. Forever. And they kind of just go, okay, let's keep going. So, extremely high pain tolerance. Number two, cows are extremely good healers. If a cow is put in a position to heal, and I mean that environmentally, metabolically, stresses, if she is put in a position to heal, she can do almost all of it on her own. I've made a comment in the past that no matter what's on the bottom of that cow's foot, as long as you can relieve the weight and you can open a wound up a little bit, that cow will do the rest for you. And most of the time that's true. Now, as for what we treat with and what we do to prevent infection, we promote a clean environment. And when I say clean, I don't mean like toothbrush, lime everywhere, Clorox everywhere, suds and bubbles. I mean sawdust, not 2 foot of shit. Alright? So, like, not offensive. It doesn't have to be spick and span. I mean, cows are used to stepping in their own crap. So, yeah, you provide them with a clean environment, and they will do a lot for you. So when I'm carving, we'll give a white line or an ulcer, almost same deal. When I'm carving either one of those out and that hoof is opened up, there's a very good possibility at that point, as long as she has a block on, she will heal herself. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Done. Without any sprays, without any wraps. And even if I were to leave a little extra height on the opposite toe and not block her, she'd probably heal herself as well. So there's a lot of things that we do to promote faster healing. As for the blocking, the wrapping, the sprays, and all the stuff. So we do try to keep the wound cleaned out. If it's severe, if it's bloody, if it's bad, if it's oozing, if I pull a piece of bone out, whatever, there will be a wrap put on, for the simple sake that, you know, for 24 hours, it would be nice if nothing got packed into that wound. But as for treating, that is a veterinary concern and a farm concern. So using drugs, using antibiotics, using that sort of stuff, it's all kind of subjective to the situation of the cow. But yeah, some cows will receive loads and loads and loads of antibiotics, others won't, and it's hit or miss. There's cows where I'm like, man, she's done for. Like 6 months later, I go back, hey, remember that cow you said that was done for? She's right here. I mean, they didn't do nothing. The cow did it. So that's what I have to offer you this morning on that. The cream and spray stuff, I use copper-based sprays most of the time. It is a good bacterial type killer for lesions on cow feet. And as for medicines that we'll put on the feet, I'll use the salicylic acid a lot. I'll use a product I designed called Wonder Sauce a lot. I'll use some drawing salve here and there. I'll use iodine. simple products like that. But yeah, if it gets past that to where you need prescription drugs, you gotta have a vet, and I'm no vet. So, all right, have a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in.